Friends, welcome in our Bharati YouTube classes. Today we will discuss about skeletal system and nervous system. Okay, if we talk about skeletal system and nervous system, both are very important part of our body. Okay, if you talk about skeletal system provide structure of our body. Okay, skeletal system provide structure of our body, and nervous system just like a highway. Okay, just like a highway, all the information exchanges from different body part to the brain, and from brain to the different body part. It means if we talk about nervous system just like a highway, and skeletal system just like a cell. Our body structure provide our body structures. Okay, now we will discuss about skeletal system and nervous system. But here, skeletal in charge of supporting the structure of body. The skeletal system together with muscles allow you to move all the different part of our body. It means skeletal system provide movement of all the part of our body also. After that, nervous system just like a highway along which brain send and receive information about what is happening and around the body. Okay, what is happening in our around the body. If you feel different touches in terms of light also. Okay, all the information received by our different body, and that receives signal sent to the brain. After processing that signal, we will take any action, our body movement also. Okay, now skeletal system is the framework of bone. Skeletal system is a framework of bone, also called the skeleton, that gives shape and support the body. Bones are the hard structure made of living cells, because our skeletal system made up of from bone. Bone are made up from cell. Which type of cell? Living cell. Okay. After that, living cells and minerals. There are 206 bones in our body. How many bones? 206 bones in our body. And different bones in our body have different size and different shape. Okay. In adult human skeletal system, the main bones are comprises skeletal skull, rib cage, backbone, and two pair of limbs and girdles. Okay. Just the main bones that comprise the skeletal are skull, if we talk about head bone. Okay. If we talk rib cage, if we talk about this portion of our body. Okay. After that, backbone. After that, two pair of limbs and girdles. Now, let us know different bones in different way. Okay, separately we will discuss here different bone. First we will discuss here skull. Skull is the hardest part of body that protect bones. It means skull provide protection to our brain. Okay, to our brain. It means skull just like a play a role of army to our brain. It means our brain protected by skull. Next one is there are 22 bones in adult human skull, and which are fused together. It means combined together. Fuse to mean combined together. Except the lower jaw. The movable lower jaw enable us to talk and eat. If we talk about this part of our body, this is known as lower jaw. Only this part of our skull system move, and rest all other are not show movements. If we talk about skull, if we talk about skulls bones, our skull bones, how many bones? 22 bones. Except lower jaw, no any skull bone show movement. Okay. After that, rib cage. Just talking about this portion our, and this portion is called rib cage. It means the rib cage comprises 12 pair of rib. It means number of 24, 12 pair of rib that curve around from the back of our body towards the front. The rib cage protect lungs and heart. Just talking about brain provide protection, skull provide protection to our brain. Here rib cage also provide protection to our lungs and to our heart, because these organs are very precious, just like brain. These organs are very sensitive. Okay. Next one, all the rib bones are connected to upper part of the backbone. All the rib bone connected to the upper part of backbone. Okay. After that, in front ribs are connected to the breastbone or sternum, a strong bone in center of our chest, and hold those ribs in place. After that, the lowest pair are not connected to the sternum and are thus called floating rib. And lower part, one rib bone not connected to the backbone, and that pair known as floating ribs. Okay, that one known as floating ribs. After that, backbone, very important part of our skeletal system. Very important part of our skeletal system. Just talking about skeletal system provide structure of our body, give shape of our body, and one of them backbone very important. Okay, the backbone support the body and give protection to the spinal cord. Some action and reflection by our body interact, okay, by spinal cord. It means if you feel touch of hot object, cold object, if needle in our body, okay, so it means some hot object we touch, sometimes we touch cold object. In that case, reflect by our body and command given to our body by the spinal cord. Okay, it means this reflex action command given by spinal cord. Spinal cord protected by backbone. It means spinal cord, you can also say a bundle of nerve system. Okay, a bundle of nerves. It means contain large number of fine veins, which is protected by backbone. It is made of 33 small and hollow bones called vertebrae. How many bones? Our backbone made up of how many bones? 33 bones. These bones are arranged over each other and form a tube-like structure. These bones are arranged over each other and form tube-like structures. Okay, it protects the delicate spinal cord and help us to bend and turn. Just talking, spinal cord protected by backbone. Also, this help in bend and turn. Okay. Next one is limbs. The two pair of limbs have four limbs and hind or lower limbs. Okay. Two pair of limbs. First one is four limbs, arms, also known as the and hind or lower limbs. The four limbs comprises upper arm and the lower arm. The upper arm has one long bone called humerus. Upper arm has one long bone known as humerus. It is attached to a pair of bones called radius and ulna. In the lower arm, our hand having number of smaller bone attached to lower arm. It means in our hand different small bone also present. This small bone attached to the lower arm. The four limbs are connected to backbone with the help of shoulder girdle. With the help of shoulder girdles. After that, the hind or lower limbs also have two parts, the upper leg and the lower leg. The upper leg has single bone called thigh bone or femur. If we talk about femur bones, this bone is largest bone in our body. Okay, so it is the longest bone in our body and our weight also bear weight of our body by femur. Largest bone in our body, longest bone in our body. Okay. After that, the lower has two bones called tibia and fibula. These are the joint to femur at the knee. The feet have a number of smaller bones. Lower limbs are connected to the body through hip girdles. This is the structure of limbs, four limbs and the hind or lower limbs or leg also. Now we will discuss about function of skeletal system. How different part of our skeletal system perform different functions. Okay, it provides shape and support to our body, very important things. If we talk about just talking, skeletal system provide shape and support to our body. After, without skeletal of our body would not be able to stand, not possible. Without skeletal system, not possible to stand. Okay. After that, it provide protection to our soft and delicate organs. Soft and delicate organs. Just talking about skull provide protection to our brain, soft and delicate organs. Okay. If we talk about rib cage provide protection to our lungs and heart. This is also very soft and delicate organs. So our skeletal system parts not only provide shape to our body, not to provide only structure of our body, also provide protection, different sensitive nerves, also provide protection to different sensitive nerve by different part of our skeletal system. If we talk about spinal cord, protected by backbone, heart or lungs protected by rib cage, and brain protected by skull. Next one is here, skeletal system along with muscles allow the movement of different body parts. Skeletal system along with muscles provide movement of different body parts. Okay, if I am able to move our hands, our head, our leg and other body parts, this is possible only when if our body has skull system. Means skull system provide movement of our body, also movement of our different body parts also. Okay, next one is here, bones contain bone marrow where red blood cells are produced. Bone marrow contain bones contain bone marrow where red blood cells produced. As we know, two type of blood cells, red blood cells and white blood cells. Both blood cells work different. Now we'll discuss about red blood cell and white blood cells. Okay, first we will discuss red blood cell. As we breathe, take oxygen. This oxygen taken by our lungs and absorbed by our lungs, and that oxygen carry our different body parts. That carrier means just like a trolley. If we talk about red blood cells, just like a trolley. As we go mall, where trolley provided by malls to purchase different things. After taking that things, keep in the trolley. After that, completing the marketing, we come to the cash counter. Okay, just same like here, red blood cell, just like a trolley, which is carry red blood cells carry oxygen. Okay, red blood cells carry oxygen to our different body parts. As we know, with the help of oxygen, our different body parts perform different function. It means get energy as food. Also, our different body organs, different body parts get energy from oxygen. That oxygen carrier is red blood cell. Next one is here, white blood cell. White blood cell just like a play a role of army in our body from external infections. White blood cell just like play a role of army in our body from external infections. We have already discussed diseases, different diseases in our previous classes. All these diseases caused by germs present in air. As we take breath, as we respiration process, in that case, if we go in that part where germ particle present and somebody coughing and whooping, in that place if we come in contact, that germs also through the breathing comes in our body, and that germ harmful to our body. It means white blood cell just like a play army from external infections. It means our body protected by white blood cell from external infection, fight against external infection, who is white blood cells. Okay, white blood cells fight against external infection, different condition, different situation. Okay, next one is here, joints. Joints are place where two bone meets. Joints is a place where two bone meet. Bone are joined together through tissues called ligaments. Bones are joined together through tough tissues called ligament. Ligament are strong and tough fiber which hold bone together at the joint. Which is ligaments? Ligaments are strong and tough fibers. Okay, which hold bone together. It means ligament has capability to hold two bone together at the joints. After joint can be movable or immovable. It means Some joints are movable and some joints are immovable. All joints are movable except the skull. All joints. Okay, in our body, many types of joint, but our skull joint, just talking about in our skull, 22 bones, except our lower jaw, all the bones joined to each other by fused. Okay, fused each other. Okay, it means our skull bone joint not movable, it means immovable. Okay, our skull bones joint are immovable, it means not move. After that, all joints are immovable except skull. The skull has several bones joined together to give it a fixed shape. Fixed joint move little. Okay, fixed joint move little. Each movable joint move in a certain direction in a different way and provide free movement to the body. The joints are covered with a strong tissue called cartilage, which prevent bone rubbing against each other. Just talking about ligament, hold two bones. Okay, ligament just like a tough fiber made up from tough fiber, which can hold two bones together. Also, cartilage also play very important role. No two bones rub. Okay, in that case, okay, it means the joint covered with the strong tissue called cartilage, which prevent bones rubbing against each other. It also hold the bone together at the joints. Next one, main types of movable joint in our body. Now talking some joints which is movable. Okay, first one is here ball and socket joint. First one is here ball and socket joints. Next one is here hinge joints and pivot, and next one is pivot joint, and fourth one is gliding joints. Mainly 4 types of movable joints. Okay, now we will discuss about ball and socket joint. Okay, ball and socket joints. A ball and socket joint allow the bone to move easily in a large circle. Okay, easily in large circle. It means different part so a different movement. Some body part move in large, some body part move in small movement. If we talk about our neck, okay, this movement. If we talk about lower jaw movement, if we talk about our hand finger movement, if we talk about our legs finger movement and other body parts movement, it means different part show different movement. Some show large movement and some show small movement, but except skull bone, all the bones are joined together ligament, and to prevent from rubbing of bone, strong tissue called cartilage prevent the rubbing of bone. But just talking which type of joint show large movement. Okay, just talking that joint is called ball and socket joint. It means ball and socket joint provide large movement to our body parts. Okay, this joint is formed by the round end of long bone fitting into a hole or socket of another bone. A hole and socket of another bone. If we talk about our ball and socket joints, okay, if we talk about this portion of our body, okay, and if we talk about our hand joints, okay, if we talk about our other body parts joints. Next one is our soldier is an example of ball and socket joint. If we talk about our soldier is an example of ball and socket joint. The hip joint is also an example of ball and socket joint. If we talk about hip joints, also is an example of ball and socket joint. After that, hinge joints. But before the hinge joints, feel your knee, how it move while you walk, sit and chair. It move differently, hinge joints. Okay? Feel your knee, how it move while you walk or sit on a chair. It move differently. It means same joint but different time move, showing different movements. A hinge joints allow movement only in back and forth direction. Okay? Only back in forth. We can also say this and this, back and forth. Okay? In other, if we talk in our word, back and forth means आगे and पीछे, आगे और पीछे. Next one is here. It acts just like a hinge or of a door. Our elbow, finger and toe also have hinge joints. It means our elbow, finger and toe also have hinge joints. Next one is here, pivot joints. It is found between the skull and uppermost vertebra of the backbone. It lets you move your head upward, downward and sideways. This joint present in our neck also, you can say backbone. Okay, next, gliding joints. Gliding joint allow movement between the connecting bones like wrist, ankle and the vertebra of spine. Just talking about joints in our body, different joints show different movement and some joints show different situations, different type of movements. It means if you talk about our body skeletal systems made up of from 206 bones and different part. If we talk about rib cage, skull, forelimbs, okay, all are also part of our skeletal system. So just talking about joint of our body and how showing different movement, different joint in different situations. We will discuss next part of our skull system in next classes. I hope all of you got it fully. Thank you.